friends, today I'm making one of my go-to side dishes. Super easy, 10 minutes, straight from the garden. First, give your green beans really good rinse. Now heat up a little olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Unsalted butter. Time to season. A bit of soy sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, and then a little bit of Tabitha Brown Sunshine ingredients. Oh, this is really good. And then, of course, ginger, sesame oil, a dash of soy sauce. I've added all my favorite seasonings, but use whatever you like. And add in all the green beans, and if yours are from the garden like mine, they're probably extra crisp and sweet. Give them a good stir to coat them in all those wonderful ingredients that we just add. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they're bright green and just tender. For another minute, then take them off the heat, and you know what? That's it. You got to try it with these seasoning. It's out of this world, packed with lots of flavor. These green beans go with just about everything. I'm so excited to share. Don't forget a like and follow for more garden fresh quick recipes. I'm going to wash these, blanch them, and then put them in freezer bags. Of course, I'll cook a batch for tomorrow, but just wanted to share my harvest today. And thank God Hubby was out there helping me pick them. I had to take the ends off, and then I broke them into pieces. Use it for stir fry or casserole, and that was a lot of work.